Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Cody Abrupta here, and today we're going to talk about doing soil compaction testing. Specifically, we're going to talk about the probing wire test. Let's get into it. All right, so one of the items that we need for the soil compaction testing is a surveying flag. All right, something like this. All right, I'm going to bring two of them, and I'll explain why when we get out to the site. All right, you're also going to want a set of the plans. If you want to read the procedure for the test, this is the diagram, right? This is what the diagram looks like. It kind of explains what the what the probing wire test is, and there's also some testing requirements below it. This is usually pictured on the plan, so be sure to read through that before you run the testing. Also, you're going to want to look at the actual drawing. So for this, what we've got is a new house build. And this hatched area, it's kind of hard to see, but the hatched area is called out. There's a call out, and it says hatched area represents area for subsoil compaction remediation. So this is the area where we're going to do the testing. All right, I'm going to highlight it just so you can see it a little bit better, right? Basically, this whole swath here, all the way out to the back. We've got the backyard here. All right, and then we've got the front yard, right, along the side of the driveway, right there. All right, so anywhere in this area is where we're going to be doing the test. All right, so for the actual test, what you're going to do is you're going to take your flag, all right, you're going to look at areas on the highlighted section, and you're basically going to go up to the soil. You'll notice that sometimes there's like some rocks and structures in there, but basically you're going to take your flag and penetrate down into the soil. All right, just like that. All right, usually what I'll do is I'll take a second flag, I'll place it into the soil just slightly next to it, just so that way you can see a difference. You can see what the full flag length is versus the the penetrated flag length, and then you take a picture of it, right? So you'll take your phone out or a camera or whatever you have, and usually I'll try to get low like this. I'll take a picture of it, and then that gets included in the report that I'm doing. All right, once you've done that, you want to look at the plan, you want to mark off your general area. I'm all the way in the back of the site, so somewhere right around here. All right, and then you're going to just pick a couple of other sites, right? I did one over here already. I did a few around the side. I'm going to do some over here, but that's how the test goes.